everyone, welcome back to SoCaliRific. Today we are here at Disneyland because we're going to be doing the Eggstravaganza 2022. We are going to go get our map and then we're going to be off egg hunting. So come along and let's go. Alright, so we stopped by Disney Showcase. We picked up our map. They said to claim the prize when we're done we have to go to the Plaza Point store right there Main Street. So that's what we'll be doing, but right now we're going to go egg hunting. So this is a look at our map that we got. It's cute. It's shaped as an egg this year, like little eggs in a basket. And these are the stickers that they come with. And this was $9.99 before pass holder discount. But here is where we're gonna have to go and look for some eggs. Okay, so the first clue was Mad Hatter USA. And this one was pretty easy. I spotted this one even before I got the map. So let's go take a look. So the first egg is right over here. And as you can see, it is the white rabbit. There it is. And you can find that right over here at the Mad Hatter. So that one was pretty easy. Doing good so far. Alright, since we found the Mad Hatter, Jenny is now going to take the sticker, place it in the Mad Hatter section. Perfect. Yeah, oh, there we go. A little off-centered, but alright, we found our first one. Okay, so the next place we have to go is here, and this is Fortuosity. Oh my gosh, I'm probably not saying this right. I'm not sure where this is at. I'm gonna assume it's on Main Street, so we're gonna look, but that's the next one. And the good thing today, it's like a chilly day, so it's a good day to do this because I've done it when it was hot and believe me, it wasn't as fun. So I found the Fortuosity shop. This is right here near Carnation Cafe. But now time to find the egg. Thanks to Jenny, her good eye. There it is. He is Donald Duck. We found him. We found him, guys. So I didn't know that the eggs were actually inside the shop. So I was just looking at the window displays and all around. But that one was inside, so it was a little tricky. I did see people have a little hard time. I did help a family out. All right, Jenny, Fortuosity. Perfect. Alright, so I'm trying to be strategic, so let's head to the corn dog cart next. Corn dog cart. Oh, I could see it from afar. There he is. Mickey Mouse. The Mickey Mouse egg. That one was pretty easy. Okay, so that one, like I said, was easy. Now we're heading to Tomorrowland. It says a Tomorrowland planter. So let's go look. Another good thing about this is we're getting in our steps. We found it. There she is. Tomorrowland planter. We got Daisy. We got this Tomorrowland planter. That one was pretty easy as well. So far the most challenging one has been Donald, right? We got Daisy. Alright, so we're gonna head to the Fantasyland direction. The next clue is Pinocchio's Daring Journey. Here it is. This one was easy as well. We got Tinkerbell right here in front of Pinocchio's Daring Journey. Next clue is Fantasyland Theater. I don't see anything like that sticking out right away. Let's go up here. I see people congregating up here. Hello. There's an egg. Ooh, a tricky one. I don't know where it's at. There it is, finally. I walked right by it and did not look. There goes Mr. Toad. So don't make the same mistake I did. But there he is. Alright, doing pretty good. Now we just need this bottom row. Oh my goodness. Jenny's just the fastest. She wants to get it over with. She's over it, so that's why she's a good egg finder. Let's get the hell out of here. Okay, next one we are doing is a Pioneer Mercantile. Headed into Frontierland. Let's see if this one's outside or inside. Alright, Jenny, do your thing. Oh, I see it. There it is. She's all lit up. What a beauty. She is beauty, she is grace. Minnie Mouse. Alright, we're gonna place our sticker after because we're just gonna go to the South Sea Traders. I had to look this one up. I didn't even know where that was at, but apparently it is in Adventureland, so let's go. South Seas Traders, right over there. We have Dale. Okay, so it's pretty packed, so we're gonna be placing our stickers a little later. We're just gonna try to get through this crowd. Alright, so our next plan of attack is we're gonna go hit up Harbor Galley, Hungry Bear, and Pooh Corner. There he is. We got Chip, chocolate chip nose, definitely Chip. right here at Harbor Galley. This one was pretty easy. Okay, next one is Hungry Bear Restaurant. And I did see him from afar. Very easy this one to see. This one is Pluto. There he is, right on top of Hungry Bear. Now we are headed into Pooh Corner. Keeping my eyes out, peeled. Alright, so I saw everyone like congregating over here, so I'm assuming it's over here. Oh, and yep, there it is. There it is. There is Thumper. Right here in Pooh Corner, all the way. Totally in the corner. Okay, so here's a look at our updated map. And all we need is Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, and we are looking for Goofy. Excuse me, do you know where the next egg is at for Big Thunder Mountain? Over there? Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, it just flew to the ground, so be careful. I would have not been able to finish my map. And over here by the Big Thunder Mountain Railroad is Goofy. There he is. This one's pretty easy. I saw this one from afar. Goofy, right above the wait time, 40 minutes, which is not too bad because the park is super packed, so. All right, we have officially found all of our eggs. The last one being Goofy. And there it is. We have completed Eggstravaganza 2022. Our map did get beat up in the process. We're on our way to Plaza Point because that's where they told me to redeem our egg, our map, so we could get the little egg that we won. They have these cute little like photo ops as well. And they have these that you could buy separately, like Zootopia. These are $20. So here they are. Take a little better pic of Marie. How cute are these? Alright guys, comment below. Let me know which one you guys would have picked. But I'll show you which one I'm about to get. Okay, here's a look at the limited release Eggstravaganza pin. Also, not only do they have these to take pictures with, but they have these as well. Super cool. And we got Dopey. Look how cute he looks. Super cute. And look, it has Eggstravaganza. It's like the little diamond shining. There it is. Super cute. So this is what you get. Okay, so now that we are done with the egg hunt extravaganza, we wanted to treat ourselves with our own reward, and we wanted to try the choco flan from Rancho da Zocalo. So here we have the choco flan cake, and this is a caramel flan with chocolate cake. Pretty self-explanatory. Okay, there it is, the choco flan. Good. All right, thumbs up for the choco flan. It's good. All right, everyone, so that is it. We have completed our map. Our map did get a little beat up in the process, but it was pretty fun. It took around like an hour, a little more than an hour to do it. And I did see like a lot of people like with their kids or even just adults doing it themselves, and they're really into it. So it's just a little scavenger hunt. It's something to do here while you're here at Disneyland, especially if you're a pass holder, like changes it up. I'm so glad that they brought it back because we didn't have it last year. It was only in downtown Disney, of course, because Disneyland was closed. But now that Disneyland is open, they have one here in Disneyland, they have one in downtown Disney, and they have one in DCA. So there are different areas that you could do your scavenger hunt. But that is it for now. So don't forget to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button because we're going to have more videos coming soon. Until next time, bye guys.